All right, here's my simple morning routine to stay active and laser focused all day. Step 1. Don't snooze. I put my phone across the room so I have to stand up to silence it. Win 1. Step 2. Sun plus water. I open a window, get light in my eyes, drink a big glass of water, pinch of salt, or lemon. That flips the on switch way faster than coffee. Step 3. 2-minute move, 20 squats, 10 push-ups on the counter, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Heart rate up, brain online. If I'm stiff, it's a quick stretch instead. Step 4. Brain prime. I write today's top 3 on a sticky note. Not 10, 3. If it's not on the note, it's noise. Step 5. Focus fuel. Protein first breakfast, black coffee if I'm not hungry. No heavy sugar bombs. Step 6. 1 power block. I set a 50-minute timer and do the hardest task first. Phone in another room. Noise off. Tabs closed. Step 7. Micro reset. 5 minutes. Walk. Breathe. Sunlight. Not scroll. Step 8. Admin sweep. 10 minutes to clear messages, then back to a second power block. Throughout the day, I stack tiny movement. Every call, I stand. Every hour, 10 squats, or a quick hallway lap. That's 100 plus reps without a workout. Energy dips? I drink water, chew mint gum, or do 20-second fast steps. It's a caffeine-free reboot. Evening preview. I lay out clothes, fill my water bottle, and set tomorrow's top 3. Tomorrow starts tonight. Try this for 5 mornings. Track it on a sticky note. By day 3, you'll feel the momentum. Simple habits. Big focus. Let's go get it.